5. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see, right? Let's start. Friends, is 4210 divided by 5 easier to divide or 4210 divided by 10 easier to divide? We will say 4210 divided by 10 is easier to divide because we will simply put a decimal point here and we will say this as the answer, or we will strike out the 0 here and we will say this as the answer. Now what we will do here to divide? We will put in the normal way. Now we will put it 4210 here by 5. In 5 tables, 42 will not come. 40 only will come. That will come in 8 times. Write 8 here. Minus 40. That's equal to 2. And then we need to put this 1 down here. 21. In 5 tables, 21 will not come. 20 only will come. That is 4 times. 4. 20. Now we need to carry the 0 down here. In 5 tables, 10 will come in second time. Write 2 here. Minus 10. That's equal to 0. Friend, see how many steps we are doing in the normal method. Now I will say you the simple method to divide this number. Let's see. Friends, answer which we got in the normal method is 842. I have written it here. Now I will say you the trick and now we will do it. And we will see the answer is right or not. Do 10 divided by 5. Friends, instead of dividing this number by 5, convert it into 10. What we will do to convert this 5 as 10? We will multiply with 2. We need to multiply 2 with this number and also this number. Into 2, that's equal to down 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 2 into 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And 2 into 4 is equal to 8. As I said, we can put the decimal point here. So the answer is 842. Here also, in the normal method, we got the answer as 842. Or else, we can strike the zeros. And we will get the same answer. See how simply and in not more steps, in only less steps, we have done this program. Now we will do another example to understand it clearly. Friends, the next number I have taken is 895135 divided by 5. See how large is this number. As I said, the shortcut method, we are going to do that method. What I have said, instead of dividing this number by 5, we need to convert this 5 as 10. To convert this 5 as 10, we need to multiply 5 with 2. We need to multiply 2 with this number equal to 24. 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. Right? 25 here. Now, for 10 we put the decimal point after one number. But here this number is 100. So we need to put the decimal point before after two numbers. That is, we need to put the decimal point here. The answer is 2527. Or else, if it is collapsing, we can easily strike out these zeros and we can say the answer as 2527. Friends, now we will divide this number in the calculator and we will see if the answer is same or not. The number is 63175 divided by 25. Friends, the answer is 2527 and the answer I have got here also 2527. See how easily and simply and in a very small steps we have done this problem. When we do in the normal way, we will take more time and more steps. But here we have done it in only less steps and we have saved the time. See how easily we have got. Now we will do another example to understand this very clearly. Friends, the next number I have taken is 956,425 divided by 25. As I said, we need to, instead of dividing this number with 25, we need to multiply this number and this number with 4 into 4 by 4. That's equal to 100. 4 into 5 is equal to 0. 2 here. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0, 1 here. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. 5 here, 2. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. 2, carry over here 1, 2, 4. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. 38. is, in short, any number divided by 5, we need to multiply the number with 2 and put the decimal point after one number. Any number divided by 25, we need to multiply that number with 4 and put the decimal point after two numbers. Any number divided by 125, we need to multiply it into 8, multiply the number with 8 and put the decimal point after 3 numbers. So, hope you like this shortcut tricks. Give your valuable likes and comments and don't forget to share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.